Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me. This is Ciara from Ciara T Designs. I am the voice and hands behind all the crafty projects you see on this channel. I was recently invited to teach at a summit that actually runs this Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It starts on the 29th. My class is on the Saturday, the 31st. So I wanted to show you a quick look at the cards that I am making for this class, or I have made for this class, to show you guys what you would be learning from me. There are 30 instructors altogether, so I'm one of them. And I think that they've created some amazing stuff. The whole idea of this summit is to use things that you have on hand. So every class will go through ways to use different stuff that you already own and use up your stash, which is phenomenal. You guys know that I am a huge believer in using everything you own. So this is a great summit to be invited to teach at. Now for the cards that I made, I chose to do ink blending, big surprise, and I chose to do 2 panels that get stretched into 4 cards. So the panels, of course, are on this card right here, these cards, and they are an ink blended panel with some beautiful splatter. And then I added the focal of a butterfly with 2 different layers of vellum, and then just kind of an inspirational sentiment. It just says sending sunshine. And I love how they turned out. I'm really, really happy with them. I'll show you a bit of a closer look. And I didn't add anything on the inside. I've been trying to do that, but I just left these ones like this. And I think that they turned out just really, really pretty. The detail in the butterfly and the ink blending, you guys know, speaks to me because I love ink blending and I love sparkly things. And I did add just a couple of sequins across the panel as well to finish it off. And I think they turned out beautifully. So I have a link in the description. You can go and grab your free ticket for the 3 days of classes. There is a paid option as well, but you don't have to purchase that unless you want to. And it just gives you a couple of extra goodies and early access and access past I say the weekend, but it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I hope you guys will check it out. I hope you'll even just go and have a look. You don't have to attend if you don't want to, but I do think that there are some amazing instructors and a lot of phenomenal classes that I think you'll enjoy. So go check it out, go click the link, have a look, and I will see you guys again on Thursday with my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.